Even when market at all-time low, we're still pushing and launching meme coins every single day, and in this video I will show and explain to you how you can actually launch meme coins in a market like that and still be profitable at the end of 2025, even though Solana is below 135 already. Now let's begin. Also, you must remember that this video is made for educational entertainment purposes only, so don't repeat anything you see in this video. Please, блять. Everything that you do on your own risk. Now, as you all can see, the market is literally ass. I mean, look at the final stretch. Everything, and literally everything, is in AI coins, блять. And then here we can see barely quite a few coins with communities, some of them unbundled. Are they even real? Are this coin even real? Do they make profits, or it's all fake and fake bundle, блять? Now, let's start with the simple stuff, is what to do and how to do. As you all know, we have exactly 4 ways of launching meme coins. So literally there are 4 ways of launching meme coins, and you know it from me, a person who launched thousands of them. So 4 ways of launching meme coins. The first one is community coins, CC. Community coins. Then we have Twitter coins. So Twitter coins, aka coins launched on Twitter news. Then we have AI utilities, which is literally, I mean, I don't know, it's going literally insane on Pump Fund right now. My entire final stretch is in AI utility coins. I know, guys, it seems a little bit too much. They're saturated, kind of. And then we have streamers / sniper coins. So pretty much this one is the easiest method to like farm snipers, or I don't know, farm a little bit of cash. Let's say you need the money for a date. Okay, let me just show it to you real quick. You go to Vortex Bundler, which is, what is Bundler? Bundler is a software that allows you to create a meme coin and then buy in with your own wallet, so you hold like a lot of supply of the coin. Now, you press create a new project, then create a new coin, Pump Fund. Here, project wallets, you just create like, let's say 6 wallets. But me personally, I'm gonna create 1 wallet. Then I'm gonna input another like 6. Here I'm gonna go to Soul Disperser, Hard Disperse, and I'm gonna disperse 6 Soul from 0.9 to 1.1. Why exactly these numbers? Well, I don't know. Do whatever you like. Well, can it be my lucky number? I mean, let's say that's my lucky number. If you want to use my lucky number, use that. Now, while everything is dispersing, you can actually speedrun it and go to project itself. Then you go project wallets, creator wallet, press here. And then you can go and send like 2 Soul to your creator wallet, right? Now, you need to find a coin that is going good right now. As an example, this one, UpDog. I mean, UpDog looks nice. We're gonna go here, copy it. Now, we're gonna go back to Bundler, go token metadata, Twitter, UpDog. Here, we're gonna go UpDog, name UpDog. Then, we're gonna go here. We're gonna copy this picture, paste it in here. Then we're gonna deploy it. Wait a little. Wait. Just a moment. Okay, now it's here. Then we're gonna go launch bundle. We're gonna go 1.9, 3, 3.05, 1, 0.5, 0.122, 1, no, 0.01. Let me see. Boom. Just like that. Did we have any buys in? So yeah, let's say some people got in and we made a little bit, like literally $23, which is exactly like Chipotle chicken bowl. So, you know, this type of like farming method, I mean, yeah, I mean, if you do it enough times and this and that, you might as well make, you know, a little bit of profits. But I don't prefer this method since it's a little bit random. So now you have it, then, you know, all of a sudden it doesn't work and you can lose on commission. So, you know, sniper method is a little bit of not my cup of tea. So, but still it gives you profits. Now, there is also AI utility. And I mean, I've shown it on Telegram, like how I launched it for like 40, 60 Soul profits. As an example, this is the video of me from Telegram. Well, actually, let me just input it right here. So yeah, we made like whatever, like 43 sol from one single coin, which is like whatever, 7.5k. Not bad, right? Now we have also Twitter coins. Like you already know that Twitter and a lot of coins and a lot of runners that we have are from Twitter. So let's say something huge is happening in the world. Firstly, you'll need Axiom, and Axiom is a free trading platform. Obviously, you can only and must use only links from my description and my Discord or Telegram. Why? Because a lot of drainers, like, bro, if you're gonna use a wrong link, you're gonna put money in it, and boom, all of the sudden it's gone. It's gone. You don't have it, blядь. You lost everything. So yeah, only use my link. So firstly, you go to Axiom. You add right here, you add all these accounts. You can find link on my Discord or Telegram once again. Then you're gonna go back to polls. You're gonna go Twitter, and wait, I think you can. No, wait. I think Twitter, and here you can just input it like that. Okay, here. Now you're gonna refresh the page and install Uxenta. Uxenta is an extension that allows you to create meme coins from tweets. Yeah, you can also use 2.0 version. We're gonna continue with the regular one. So you're gonna refresh the page. You're gonna UDEF on. Also, don't forget to top your balance up right here. Make sure to send a little bit of soul here. Then, if anything is happening, like literally like Elon Musk said something, Trump said something, you abstain files, you're gonna go UDEF on a coin. Here it says Grassy Hunt, Grassy tax idea, Super Balls, блять, SBS. Now, I'm gonna set one sol and auto sell within like 0.2 seconds. Okay, so we can also do bundle, we can do multi-deploy, this and that. We're gonna change the picture. So I'm gonna launch this coin with all these links, and it's gonna sell within 0.3 seconds. So I launched, boom, and it sold immediately. So if it was a runner and anyone would have gotten to my coin, I would have cashed out on them. As you can see, like literally no one got in. Why? It's simple, blядь, because the coin is ass. Like nobody cares about like whatever she said to someone like regarding Super Bowl. Now, the last thing would be is the community coins. As an example, like this one, so the fourth one, community coins, это Uxenta. Community coins is like the easiest one to do. As an example, overworked robot, right? You go to the community, you see, okay, there's a tweet that went viral. It got 2.6 million views. So the guy named it Overworked and launched Overworked Robot with Twitter community. So you go on Twitter, you get yourself the cheapest premium, you go to the community and create like community around the coin. You launch it, and if it's good, it's gonna go big. As an example, this guy probably did like at least like 30, 40 sol from this coin. Now, as you know, even in a market like that, I'm gonna go on my Discord server, and you can see in vouchers, we have people literally vouching every single day their W's, and me posting W's every single day. So even in a market like that, you still can be very profitable. So stop wasting time. Go YOLO Water Polo, join us right now, follow me on Telegram, on Instagram, join my Discord server where I go live almost every single day, and see you somewhere on the internet.